Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download VLC Media Player for Windows 11. Let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 PC is connected to the internet. Open the browser. Next, go to the official VLC website. Type www.videoland.org in the address bar and press enter. It's important to use the official website to make sure your download is safe. Once the website opens, you will see a results tab. On it, you will see a big download VLC button on the home page. Click on it. The website will automatically detect that you are using Windows and will show the correct version for Windows 11. After clicking the video button, your VLC setup file will start downloading. This might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder on the location where the file was saved. Double click the file to start installing VLC. Window will pop up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click yes to continue. Now the VLC setup wizard will open. Click next, agree to the license term and click next again. You can use the default settings recommended by VLC and click install. The installation process will start and usually finishes in less than a minute. When it's done, click finish. Now VLC Media Player is installed on your Windows 11 PC. You can open it from the start menu or the desktop shortcut and start watching your videos. And that's it. We have successfully downloaded and installed VLC Media Player for Windows 11. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.